Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's lever video update. And if you guys have been following the channel, I've been talking about lever going to its technical target from the very first time I was talking about the video. So here we are, and you've met the technical target like a boss. The question really is, are you going to continue to go lower or not? So we saw this downtrend continuation, came down, started to move a little bit higher, but it never really break this level. And I told you, the only way to get bullish, I told you there was a video that I made about the bullish scenario, is if you actually come up and break this level and hold it and you start to move higher. That's when you actually are looking for lever to make that bullish scenario. But you never did that, and you actually went down to the technical target. Unfortunately, you do have another bear flag and you do have another technical target to the downside pending. So right now, the latest thing that I want to talk about and close the video is going to be this one, and that's the bear flag. So from there to there, we're looking for a technical target right now to come down to this level, which is going to be 2552, and we're looking for further drop, which is going to be from there to there, like a 10% drop to the upside. Again, a bullish scenario, the bullish scenario remains that you actually, if you want to invalidate this technical target, you must come up to break this level, go up to 0.003 and hold 0.0029, hold this level, and you can actually go back up. But I do reckon that you're going to find another resistance up here after you cross this level. Somehow, if you do cross the level, then you're going to find resistance with this level, break this, hold this like a boss, and then boom, that will be amazing to move to the upside. For me, guys, the best case to move higher is to actually come up somehow and break this level 0.38, the 38 level, and hold it to move actually higher. And that's it for today's lever update. I'm just looking for that 10% drop to the downside. And we do have a little bit of a support here and a support right there. Who knows, you can actually support this level. But keep in mind, if you do come down like this, fall down, go up, backtest, fail, then you're going to continue to the downside. And that's it for today's update on lever. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.